In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file your taxes with TurboTax from start to finish. Before you even open the software, set yourself up for a smooth experience by gathering your documents. Pull last year's tax return if you have it, because TurboTax can often import that information. Collect any W-2s for wages, 1099s for contract work, dividends, or interest, and any other income statements you've received. Keep notes on major life changes such as getting married, welcoming a new child, or buying a home. And make a list of potential deductions and credits you might qualify for, like student loan interest, education expenses, or charitable donations. Having everything in one place helps you move through the process quickly and accurately. Next, head to the TurboTax website and sign in, or create a new account if you're a first-time user. Choose the version that fits your situation: free, deluxe, premier, or self-employed. If you're unsure, the product selector will guide you based on your income sources and needs, and you can usually upgrade later if necessary. Once inside, the software walks you through your personal details. You'll enter basics like your name, date of birth, filing status such as single, married filing jointly, or head of household, and information about any dependents. You'll also add your social security number so your return is correctly filed and matched by the tax authorities. To save time, take advantage of TurboTax's import options. You can securely bring in data from last year's return and import forms directly from many employers and financial institutions. If you're in Canada, you can use the CRA's Autofill My Return service to pull approved information into your return automatically. Now, work through your income section. TurboTax translates complex forms into plain language questions and prompts, so you can enter W-2 and 1099 information accurately. Move through each income type you have and don't skip anything. Even small amounts can matter. As you proceed, the software looks for credits and deductions in the background. Simply answer the questions about your life, education, family, home, and donations, and TurboTax will apply relevant tax breaks to help reduce your tax or increase your refund. Before filing, run the full review. TurboTax will flag possible errors, inconsistencies, or missed opportunities, and you can fix them on the spot. When everything looks good, e-file your federal and, if needed, state or provincial return. After submitting, you'll be able to track your refund status in real time. That's it. You've filed with confidence and clarity.